block knows can't make, you can always use it. So I'll tell you the ingredients. We need M&Ms, we need coconut, we need almonds, we need some sprinkle, we need Nutella, we need fennel seeds, we need marshmallows, we need walnuts, and we need pistachio. And we need betel leaves. So come on, let's begin. And we need a bit elaichi and data. Come on, let's go and start. First, we need Nutella. Ready? So let's put some fennel seeds. Let's put a bit because won't really put some almond, like almond. It's nice to have them. They can actually you can remember with it, put some walnut, good for a brain. It on here, so just sparkle it, like don't put just some here, just sprinkle it like everywhere. See how it's going on? See, it's going a bit nice. It's looking delicious. Now let's put a bit of marshmallows. Pink is my favorite. Oh, we forgot pistachio. The yummy one, my favorite. Spread because we'll have put lots of things. So it's ready. You see it? You see how good it is? Now we can just fold it. So this is done. So see how it's nice? Just put it in. Someone help me. Let's put one pink, whatever color you like. I'm going to put one pink and one yellow. I'm going to put some coconut. You can try it. So this is done. Let's add a bit of sprinkle. And thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. I hope you like this. Bye.